Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if you're seeing the message there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on your iPhone while making a purchase. To fix this, you can first try changing the default payment method on your iPhone. For that, first open the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Then, select Payments and Delivery. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID, Touch ID to authenticate. Once you're in the Payments and Shipping section, tap Add Payment Method. Then, select the payment method you want to use. After adding the new payment method, make sure it's selected as the default payment option. If you continue to encounter the billing error even after this, go back to the App Store. Here, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, go to Purchased or Subscriptions and check for any pending purchases. If everything is updated but the problem continues, you can try signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in. To do this, go to the Settings app again. Then, select your Apple ID. Now, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Then, sign back into your Apple ID and restart your iPhone. Once you do, the billing problem error will be resolved. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.